Hey, what's going on, guys? Just want to do a quick unboxing for you of these LED grow light strips here. I got these because I do a lot of growing inside, and I wanted something that was good for either supplemental light or that I could use to put on a rack. So I got these, and I just want to show you what comes in the box real quick. So here's your little installation booklet. Looks like it comes with a pack of some zip ties and a couple mounting screws, and maybe that might be some tape or kind of sticky tape. And then here's all of your power cords that are attached to your LED lights. See, these are wrapped in this plastic foam stuff here. Okay, so here it is. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 of these LED strips that are good for either like putting on racks, or on this, if you have a grow tent, putting them like on the bars, the rails of your grow tent, or any type of shelf, like on the arms of your shelves, or anything like that. So if you're, depending on what you're growing, so like you're starting like seeds, or if you're growing certain vegetables or flowers and you have them on racks or shelves, these are really good for that type of thing. Or again, if you're growing in your tent and just want some supplemental light, it's good for that also. For me, I'll be setting these up on a rack so I can start some of my vegetable seeds. And then you see each set here has one power cord. So this set of 2, 1 power cord and the USB plug with it. And then the same for the other set there. So that's about it for now. Like I said, I just wanted to let you know what you're getting in the box. I'll do another video really soon when I set it up and actually put it on my rack so you can see how bright it is and how well it's actually working. And then, you know, as time goes on, I'll do more videos so you can see the plant progress and things like that. Well, again, just wanted you to see. Hopefully that helps. Thanks.